Hello. From June 16th to 22nd, we will be delighted to see you at the Paris Air Show, one of the largest events dedicated to aeronautics, space, and defense. For Scalian, it is much more than just a trade show. It is a key moment to connect with our clients whom we have supported for over 30 years with the conviction that innovation must drive performance. Our teams will therefore be present at the Paris Air Show to share with you the major transformations taking place in your industries. We will have the opportunity to discuss our core areas of expertise: engineering, industrial performance, digital systems, and simulation, as well as to look to the future by presenting our innovative solutions in the fields of artificial intelligence and sustainability. I invite you to join us at the Paris Air Show to meet our experts, and we will be organizing a series of talks on key topics: drones, hybridization in project management, transfer of work, artificial intelligence for the environment. See you very soon at the Scalian booth.